Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Certify Me. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video let us discuss AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Questions Part 7. I have uploaded all AWS Cloud Practitioner questions. Don't forget to subscribe for practice questions. Thank you so much. Without wasting the time, let's get started. Our first question is, a company is building an application that requires the ability to send, store, and receive messages between application components. The company has another requirement to process messages in, first out order. Which AWS service should the company use? Option A, AWS Step Functions. Option B, Amazon Simple Notification Service. Option C, Amazon Kinesis Data Streams. Option D, Amazon Simple Queue Service. So, option A is not suitable. Option B is also not the right answer. Option C also no. Option D is the correct answer. Why? Because Amazon SQS first in first out queues ensure ordered processing of messages, meeting the need to send, store, and receive messages in a first in first out order. That is why option D is the right answer for this question. Once again, let me highlight this option. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. A company wants to create templates that the company can reuse to deploy multiple AWS resources. Which AWS service or feature can the company use to meet this requirement? Option A, AWS Marketplace. Option B, Amazon Machine Image. Option C, Amazon CloudFormation. Option D, AWS OpWorks. Option A, wrong answer. Option B is also wrong answer. Option D is also wrong. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Why? Because AWS CloudFormation allows you to create reusable templates to deploy and manage multiple AWS resources as code, ensuring consistency and efficiency. So the option C, AWS CloudFormation, is the right answer for this question. Next question. A company that uses AWS needs to transfer 2 DB of data. Which type of transfer of the data would result in no cost for the company? Option A, inbound data transfer from the internet. Option B, outbound data transfer to the internet. Option C, data transfer between AWS regions. Option D, data transfer between availability zones. So here what it is saying means a company that uses AWS needs to transfer 2 TB of data. Which type of transfer of the data would result in no cost of the company? No cost for the company. Here option A is the suitable answer because why? Inbound data transfer to AWS service from the internet is free of cost. So transferring 2 TB of data into AWS incurs no charges. So option A is the right answer. Rest of the options are wrong. Next question. One second. Which design principles support the reliability pillar of the AWS well-architected framework? Choose two options. Option A, perform operations as code. Option B, enable traceability. Option C, automatically scale to meet demand. Option D, deploy resources globally to improve response time. Option E, automatically recover from failure. Perform operations as a code is not the right answer, and at the same time enable traceability is also not the right one, and deploy a resource globally to improve response time, this is also not the right answer. Option C, and option E are the right options for this question. Why? Because basing EC2 sorry automatically recover automatically recovering from failure minimizes downtime and maintains system availability, both essential for reliability. So option C and E are the right answer for this right options for this question. Next one. Which AWS service or feature can a company use to apply security rules to specific Amazon EC2 instances? Option A, network ACLs. Option B, security groups. Option C, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option D, AWS WAF. By seeing, we can say that option B is the right answer. Why? Because security groups acts as virtual firewalls for Amazon EC2 instances, allowing us to define inbound and outbound rules to control traffic and enhance security. So, option B, security groups, is the right answer for this question. Next question. Which actions are examples of a company's effort to right size its AWS resource to control cloud costs? Option A, switch from Amazon RDS to Amazon DynamoDB to accommodate NoSQL datasets. Option B, base the selection of Amazon EC2 instance types on past utilization patterns. Option C, use Amazon S3 lifecycle policies to move objects that users access infrequently to lower cost storage tiers. Option D, use multi-agent deployments for Amazon RDS. Option E, replace existing Amazon EC2 instances with AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Option B and option C are the right options for these questions. One second, let me erase. Why? Because basing EC2 instance type selection on past utilization patterns ensures that you are using the right sized resources for your workload, avoiding over provisioning. Using S3 lifecycle policies helps in cost optimization by moving infrequently accessed data to cheaper cheaper storage tiers. Let's move on to the next question. A user needs to quickly deploy a non-relational database on AWS. The user does not want to manage the underlying hardware or the database software. Which AWS service can be used to accomplish this? Option A, Amazon RDS. Option B, Amazon DynamoDB. Option C, Amazon Aurora. Option D, Amazon Redshift. So option A, Amazon RDS, is not the right one. Option C, this is Amazon RDS. This is Amazon Aurora is also not the right one. Option D is also not right answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Amazon DynamoDB, because Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed non-relational database service that allows users to quickly deploy and scale databases without the need to manage the underlying hardware or software. That is the reason Amazon DynamoDB is the correct option for this question. Next one. Which AWS services or features enable users to connect on-premises networks to a VPC? Select two options. Option A, AWS VPN. Option B, Elastic Load Balancing. Option C, AWS Direct Connect. Option D, VPC peering. Option E, Amazon CloudFront. Option A, AWS VPN, and option C, AWS Direct Connect are the right options for this question. Because why AWS VPN means AWS VPN enables secure connections between on-premises networks and VPCs over the internet using IPsec VPN tunnels. And AWS Direct Connect provides a dedicated high-speed, low-latency connection between on-premises networks and AWS by passing the public internet. That is the reason option A and C are the right answers for this question. Next one, which AWS benefit is demonstrated by on-demand technology services that enable companies to replace upfront fixed expenses with the variable expenses. Option A, high availability. Option B, economies of scale. Option C, pay as you go pricing. Option D, global reach. So the correct answer for this question is option C, pay as you go pricing, because the pay as you go pricing model allows companies to replace upfront fixed expenses with variable expenses, paying only for the resources they actually use. This flexibility helps manage costs more effectively. Next question, which of the following describes some of the core functionality of Amazon S3? So, which of the followings will describe the core functionality of Amazon S3? Let's see first option. Amazon S3 is a high performance block storage service that is designed for use with Amazon EC2. No doubt, option A is wrong answer. Option B, Amazon S3, an object storage service that provides high level performance, security, scalability, and data availability. Option B seems to be the right answer because I will explain later. Next option. Amazon S3 is a fully managed, highly reliable, and scalable file storage system that is accessible over the industry standard SMB protocol. This is a completely incorrect. Last option, Amazon S3 is a scalable, fully managed elastic NFS for use with AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. Option D is also not the right one. I will explain why B is the right answer, because Amazon S3 is a highly durable and scalable object storage service that allows us to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere, providing high performance, security, and data availability. So the functionality of Amazon S3 is option B. Thank you so much